Hey guys, welcome to Adobe Science, and today we'll be talking about fossilization, relative dating, and absolute dating. Let's get into it. First of all, fossils are the remains of formerly living things. Fossils usually form in sedimentary rock. First, a fossil needs to get buried under sediment. This sediment is usually brought by moving bodies of water. After many layers of sediment have formed over the bones, mineral-rich water flows through those sediments and they settle themselves in the bones. Over time, the minerals in the droplets of water that are now inside the fossil harden to make the bone potentially stronger than it is. Over thousands of years, many more layers of sediment pile on these existing layers of sediment, putting a lot of pressure on these bones, which potentially changes these bones from a state of bone to a state of rock. In many regions of the Earth, there are earthquakes, glaciers, and erosion. These all cause the fossils from the layers all the way at the bottom to come up to the top. Scientists use different kinds of dating methods to find the age of rocks. One kind of dating method is relative dating. Relative dating is used to find which layer of rock is older or younger. There are three fundamentals for relative dating. 1. The law of superposition. 2. The law of cross-cutting. And 3. The law of inclusions. Superposition is used to find which rock is older or younger by looking at the layers. The layer at the bottom is most likely to be the oldest, and the one at the top is most likely to be the youngest. This is what the law of superposition states. Next, we have the law of cross-cutting. This law states that if there is a cross-cut, it is younger than all the layers that are below it. Finally, the law of inclusion states that if there is a rock that is inside of another rock, the rock that is inside is older than the outer rock. Absolute dating is used to find the exact age of a rock. When using absolute dating, scientists determine how much uranium-238 has transformed into lead. The half-life of uranium-238 is when it is 50% uranium and 50% lead. Scientists use half-life to determine how old the rock is. Okay everybody, unfortunately we're here at the end, but stay tuned for next week's video.